Hello, John Sparger with Komo Machinery, coming to you from our training center and headquarters in Lakewood, New Jersey. Komo is always working on machine innovations. Today I want to show you the changes we've recently made to our ToolTouch system. To begin measuring tools, select the TP icon at the bottom of your screen. This opens the ToolTouch software. Select Spindle 102 and then Measure Tool. We just put new tools in position 1 and 6. So those are the tools we will be measuring today. Once we press cycle start, the machine will pick up the first tool and then move it into position over the ToolTouch probe. Once in position, select Begin Moving Tool in the dialog box. Then using your MPG, jog the spindle down until the tool just touches the tool probe. You'll notice on your screen the probe status light lights up red. Back it off one click until that turns off. Select Continue and then press cycle start again. Once you hit cycle start, the machine will touch off the first tool and then retrieve the second tool. Once it picks up the next tool and moves it in position, follow the same steps. Begin moving tool, then use your MPG to jog the spindle down until the next tool touches the probe. Back it off one click, press Continue, and then cycle start. Looks like we were successful. Close that, exit out, and now you're ready to make some dust.